Hi, welcome to my channel. Behind me is the Munmo Temple, one of the oldest Chinese style temple in Hong Kong. It constructed by three buildings, Munmo Mill, Ling Kong and the Kung Song. And I will go to take a look on the most famous temple, Munmo Mill. Let's go. The building has two gods, Monday and Monday, and then they keep the people safe and keep the place peaceful and the people healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.